What? Do you think what I'm doing is funny? Huh, Mr. Esbenia? What are you laughing at? Hmm?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll continue. Okay? Ah! Still laughing. Still laughing. I can't believe this. Laughing at... Okay, that's good. Serious, okay? Serious. Laughing again. Laughing again. This is serious business. I'm expressing, giving expression to my drawing here. Okay, it's part of my process of creating. I need to feel what the character is feeling. Need to feel it. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. See, the dogs are barking.